10 minutes to the first mark. That's.
These guys do realize there's no way to go, right? Okay, use the countdown, by the way. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah. Little action going on here on the line here. No, wait, we got a minute, don't we? What's happening over here? Don't they know we got a minute? Okay, what's that? Yeah. Man, there's a lot of shit going on here. Look at this! Look at this! Oh no! What is it? Look at the carnage. I've never seen this. Uh-oh. You're over. You're over. Should I call him?
Yeah.
You're over. You're over. You guys are over. What do I do? Do I call one out?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
Is anyone else over?
Okay. You guys are the only ones, okay? You coming back around? All clear. That is, man. This thing's like a rocket ship. He's still at them. It's like the Silver Surfer. Well, I got a video of him coming downwind. It's insane. I thought I was on Ouija. Holy smokes. I hope I got all that. That is the craziest freaking start. Here's the smartest guy. 3 G's hung back. Take it easy. Take it.
That was a real.
That's the crazy. I mean, maybe I was in a start like that, but I
didn't really watch it too much because I was watching the times.
I'm sick. Oh man, Zara, buddy, way too much sail. This guy's. That was. There goes 3 G's is over. Man, oh man, I'm YouTubing this baby. That was one to catch. Yeah. Well, if they get the thing going, they can catch up. Yeah. Wow. Man, I'm glad I came out for that. That's the craziest freaking start.
That's the best start I think I've seen, I tell you, in a long time here. Probably ever had.
Alrighty. My heart's going. That was nerve-wracking.
That was fun.
So you need to volunteer for committee boat duty. This is the kind of fun you can have. All right, MSSA Spring 5 Southeast 2 course. We got the first couple boats crossing now. All right, it's around 15 after, right? Crossing the first mark. Supposedly about a mile away. So this should be a pretty zippy little course tonight. All right, we got enough.